So today's video is a little short video of Frida, one of our newest fosters, who is technically still a kitten. We think she's about 10 months old, but she's an older kitten. And her partner there, Ollie, but mostly today's video is just on Frida, because she's starting to learn to play. These are going to be slow videos in the beginning, because this is not something I don't think either one of them did a lot. But you can see halfway through the video, you can see her actually starting to go after the toy instead of just following the toy. And this is only after a couple days. So you give her a week, and I suspect a week and a half, 2 weeks most, she'll be jumping and flying through the air like all of our other fosters do. But this is how it begins. And this is the important part, to open up her mind, to let her follow and play and enjoy. But it is very cute, and it's definitely a beginning. So this is her first video, everybody. I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you have a good day. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks, and have a perfect day.